Okay, good morning students. Today our new lesson. That lesson name is plant habitats. Second lesson, plant habitats. And once all of you open your textbook, page number 142. Page number 142. Now, plants are found all around us. Plants found all around us. They grow on almost all places on the earth. Plants will see each and every part of the earth, in the sea, in the water, in the desert area, plain area, mountain area, cool areas. Here once observe, in any part of our earth is having a plants or having a plants. Now some plants grow in places that are very cold, and some plants are grows in places that are very cold. Some plants are places and grow in places that is very hot, in very hot. Some grow in water, some plants grow in water, desert areas, plain areas, and cool areas also. Okay, now some plants are grow in water, desert and desert areas, plain areas and cool areas also. Okay, now all plants do not grow everywhere. Okay, now అన్ని ప్లాంట్స్, ఈచ్ అండ్ ఎవ్రీ ప్లాంట్ అన్ని చోట్ల పెరగాలని ఏం లేదు. ఇట్స్ నాట్ గ్రో హియర్. ఇట్స్ టేక్ ఆల్ ప్లాంట్స్ డు నాట్ గ్రో ఎవ్రీవేర్. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ క్యాక్టస్. Cactus grow in desert area only. Cactus plant is not grow in cooler mountains, in cooler areas. Okay na, cooler regions. Okay na, only here. For example, cactus grows in most of them desert areas only. Cactus are not grows in cooler region places, cold region places. Okay na, cold region places. Some plants only grow in certain places. We may see a rose plant. We see the rose plants in our surroundings, in our school, in our house. Most of them here we see the rose plants everywhere in our surroundings. See, we can't see the cactus plant in our surrounding areas. Why? Because cactus tree is grows in desert region only. Cactus plant is grows in a desert region only. And fig tree is also we can't see in our surrounding areas. Fig tree is we can see in cold region. Fig trees we can see only cold region places only. Cold region places. Fig tree can see only cold region places. Cactus plant we can see in the desert, means hot region places only we can see. Now cactus plants grow in hot deserts and the fig trees grows in cold mountain regions. So we say that different plants live in different habitats. Okay, now every plant having a different habitat. Now what is habitat? Habitat what is habitat? Habitat is a place. A habitat is a place. A habitat is a place where a plant or an animal, where a plant or an animal lives. What is habitat? Habitat is a place where a plant or an animal lives. Plants గాని animals గాని నివసించేటువంటి place. The plants are where the plants or animals lives in that place is called as habitat. Where the plant or animals lives in that place is called as habitat. Habitat is a place where a plant or animal lives. Now this habitat gives a plant or animal all the things it's needed to be able to live. Now most living things have special features that help them in survive in their habitat. Okay, now every animal or plants have some special features to survive from that place. That is called as adaptation. That is called as adaptation. Every animal or a plant to survive having a special features to survive from that place. That features are called as adaptation. Every animal or a plant having some special features for surviving for that place. Surviving from that place. That special feature is called as adaptation. There are two main plant habitats, terrestrial and aquatic habitats. Here there are two main plant habitats. One is the terrestrial habitat and other one is the aquatic. Terrestrial habitats and the other one is aquatic habitats. Now terrestrial habitats. Terrestrial habitats. Terrestrial means the plants grow on land. Terrestrial habitat means the plants grow on land. The plants grow on land. Then this type of habitats are called as terrestrial habitats. And aquatic habitat. What is aquatic habitat means? The plants grow in water. Then this type of habitats are called as aquatic habitat. There are plants are having two types of habitats. One is terrestrial habitat and other one is aquatic habitats. Terrestrial habitat means The plants grow on land. The plants grow on land. Land మీద grow అయ్యే plants ఏమేమి ఉన్నాయి? Coconut, mango tree and rose plant. ఓకేనా? These all the plants grow on the land only. Guava plant and terrestrial aquatic habitat. Aquatic habitat. What are the example of aquatic habitat? Some plants are grow in underwater. Here the plants grow in water means then it is called as aquatic habitat. Lotus flower. Example is lotus flower. Duckweed floating. Duckweed floating. These are the examples. Now we discussed about we discussed about terrestrial habitats. We discussed about terrestrial habitats. Now plants growing in plains. Plants growing in plains. Plants in growing plants growing in plains. Plants growing in plains. Now the plains are areas of land where it is hot for most of the year with a few months of winter and rainfall. In that plains, most of them very hot and some months, in few months it is a season, winter season and rainy season will come, and a variety of herbs, shrubs and trees grow in this habitat. A variety of herbs, shrubs, trees grow in this habitat. Here example is sugarcane plants, rice plants and coconut trees. All these plants are growing in the plains only. Okay now, sugarcane, rice, coconut trees are the examples to grow in plains. In these plains, most of the year is very hot and few months of winter and rainfall. Next, adaptations. What is adaptation? Plants are having some special features surviving for that place. That special features are called as adaptations and adaptations of growing plants growing in plains. Now first point is most trees growing in plains have flat leaves. In these areas plants having flat leaves. The stomata present in leaves help in evaporation of water vapor. Every leaf having a stomata. Stomata here in these plants having stomata helps the release the evaporation of water vapor. Why? Because it becomes the plants it is cool. This keeps the trees cool. Are cool when it gets very hot. Now when here in this plain area full of the year, most of the year very hot, most of the year very hot, already I told. For that reason, the leaves, the plants, the trees are have one habitat, one adaptation, they took one adaptation. The leaves are very flat because in that tomato release the what evaporation of water vapor, evaporation of water vapor. That water vapor keeps cool the trees, keeps cool that trees. Okay now, next some trees grows in plains where there is less rainfall. Okay now, some trees grows trees where there is less rainfall. That type of trees shed all the leaves in once a year, shed all the leaves, shed all the leaves in once a year. That type of trees are called as deciduous trees, deciduous trees, deciduous trees. This type of trees shed all the leaves in once a year. This type of trees, this type of trees shed all the leaves, shed all the leaves, shed all the leaves in once a year, in once a year. This type of trees are called as deciduous trees. And some trees grow in plains where there is a lot of rainfall. కానీ rainfall ఎక్కువ ఉన్న చోట ఉన్న ప్లేన్స్లలో కొన్ని ట్రీస్ గ్రో అవుతాయి. The trees are not, this type of trees are not shed the leaves. This type of trees are not shed the leaves. This type of trees are called as evergreen trees. This type of trees are called as evergreen trees. This type of trees are called as evergreen trees. Okay now, what is evergreen trees means? The plants do not shed their leaves. Such trees are called as evergreen trees. Next, plants growing in deserts. Already I told one of the example, cactus. In that place very hot and very dry. Here there is no water facility. For that reason, the roots of the plants, the roots of the plants and the roots of the plants is going to dip in the earth, dip into the soil, dip into the soil. And the roots of the desert plants are long and spread wide in search of underground water. ఎందుకంటే వాటర్ సెర్చ్ చేయడం కోసం the roots ఏమవుతాయి? Here the roots of the desert plants are long and spread wide, long and spread wide in searching of the water. And the leaves of the desert plants are either very small or reduced to form spines. దాని లీవ్స్ ఏ విధంగా ఫామ్ అవుతాయి? స్పైన్స్ అంటే ముళ్ళులాగా ఫామ్ అవుతాయి ద లీవ్స్ కూడా. వై మీన్స్ ఎవాపరేషన్, reduce the evaporation of the process, reduce the evaporation, reduce the amount of water to evaporating, reduce the water to evaporating. For that reason, here what that desert plants take one adaptation, the leaves to form a spines, to form a spines లాగా ఫామ్ అవుతాయి. ఎందుకంటే ఏమి అడాప్టేషన్ తీసుకునే స్పైన్స్ లాగా ఫామ్ కాదు. వై? వాటర్ ఎవాపరేషన్ కాకుండా రెడ్యూస్ ద వాటర్ ఎవాపరేషన్, reduce the water evaporation. And plants growing in mountains. Mountains are areas of land that are hilly and very cold for most of the year. ఈ మౌంటైన్స్ దగ్గర చాలా కూల్గా ఉంటాయని చెప్పుకున్నాం కదా. ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఏమని చెప్పాము? ఫిగ్ ట్రీ, ఫెర్న్స్ and most plants as well as fig trees and pine trees are grow here. ఓకేనా? అవి ప్లాంట్స్ కూడా ఏ షేప్ లో ఉంటాయి? కోన్ షేప్ లో ఉంటాయి అనమాట. కూల్ ఉంటుంది. వాట్ ఈస్ ద రీజన్ మీన్స్ కోన్ షేప్ లో ఉండడానికి? అండ్ ఈజీలీ స్లైడ్ ఆఫ్ వితౌట్ బ్రేకింగ్ దేర్ బ్రాంచెస్. ఓకేనా? ఐస్ వల్ల ఐస్ వల్ల ప్లాంట్స్ బ్రాంచెస్ బ్రేక్ కాకుండా కోసం కోన్ షేప్ లో ఉండడానికి ఏ విధంగా ఉండడానికి అడాప్ట్ చేసుకున్నాయి అన్నమాట ఇక్కడ. ఇక్కడ now okay children, read this lesson about what is the terrestrial habitats, what is the aquatic habitats, okay na, and what are the adaptations of terrestrial habitats. Okay, read this lesson carefully. Okay, bye children.